After hearing a disturbing story about child abuse, Adrienne decided to take matters into her own hands to educate people on this topic that is often hard to talk about, and started the Mama Bear Effect.
And so that inspired me to start the Mama Bear Effect because a lot of it happens with family and friends. And so parents are, in my opinion, the first line defenders for educating their kids. So I wanted to kind of create an organization that would draw people in and not make them feel afraid, that they would feel empowered by the information and want to spread the word about it. So that's kind of how it started, because I felt like there was a need for information specific to parents and caregivers.
NoMore.org is a national campaign that even celebrities are supporting.
No More is about saying, no more to sexual assault and domestic violence, and people taking a stand, which is an issue that affects a lot of people, but a lot of times it's just a very uncomfortable subject. People don't want to talk about it. So we were really excited to be part of this national effort to encourage people to support organizations like ours that don't necessarily receive the amount of funding that we need to raise awareness for the issue, and encourage people to donate.
No More Week in Action is March 6th through the 12th, and the purpose is to spread awareness through social media.
They're encouraging people to take a stand through social media to raise awareness that sexual assault and domestic violence is an issue that we're no longer going to take a stand and be silent on. And then also, too, any organization that's part of the No More campaign has an opportunity to win a $3,000 donation. The organization that raises the most amount of money during that week will be the winner. The minimum donation is $10.
Unfortunately, abuse is a statistic that keeps growing each year.
When 1 in 4 girls and 1 in 6 boys are estimated to be sexually abused by the time they're 18, there's so much that we can do as parents to protect our kids, just even by talking about it.
For more information about Adrienne's organization or to donate to her cause, visit themamabeareffect.org.